Everybody's talking about tariffs, so let's get into it. So the first thing that tariffs are going to impact, cost, obviously, right? So anything coming in from a different country is going to have a cost impact. And the best that we can gauge right now from a builder new home perspective, you're talking maybe $6,000 to $10,000. And on a smaller project, a remodel and things like that, you're looking at somewhere between $3,000 and $5,000. The second thing that tariffs are impacting is the supply chain. We thought we had enough of the supply chain disruptions in the last couple of years, but it could come back, and here's why. As companies look to bring more of their manufacturing back to the US or look for domestic suppliers, that could disrupt the supply chain. And the last thing that tariffs do is they start to constrain housing affordability. Houses have already doubled in terms of the average cost of a home in the last 5 years, and adding these additional costs is not going to help with creating affordable homes. So as you're thinking about how tariffs might impact your business, we've got 3 things for you to consider doing. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to see if the products that you buy are made and manufactured and sourced in the United States. That'll help to minimize any impact of the tariff, and you can ask your distributor partner or your manufacturer and they can provide you with that information. The second thing you might want to do is consider materials you haven't before. A lot of materials might not be commonplace in your market, but they might be made in the United States that could provide you with a different cost or value benefit that might not have made sense pre-tariffs. Third thing to think about is really diversifying who you buy from. So make sure that you have a couple of different sources in case there's a disruption in the supply chain or things aren't coming as quickly. And make sure you have partners that are on top of that, understand it, and can provide you with really consistent lead times, manufacturing options, and stability if there is disruption in the market. At Quality Edge, our products are manufactured in the United States, and we also work with domestic partners to get our materials that go into those products. Products that we offer, like metal siding or metal soffit, that might not be commonplace in your market, might present a really great alternative if you can't get material from other places or those prices go up. And our goal at Quality Edge is to provide you with insights, information, and products that allow you to satisfy your customers, provide them with the best value, best options, with products that'll last a lifetime.